Just hopped on our hotel airport bus.
Honestly, this is sad. It's such a good hotel and such a, like, I mean, of course, Hong Kong is like one of my favourite cities ever. So it's kind of sad to leave again.
It is sad.
I should probably just live here. But yeah, pretty excited to see Vietnam because I've never been there before. Dan's never been there. So I'm sure it's going to be really, really interesting, really cool. And hopefully the weather's going to be quite nice. I hope. So this is our room in Hanoi. We've arrived.
Hello.
So it was a crazy drive here and the traffic is insane. But we are finally here. Just show you guys the bathroom. Looks very luxurious at the moment. And yeah, really cute little room. So we're pretty excited to be here. Very excited to be here. Very interesting drive, like I said before. I can't say, apart from maybe being in Egypt, the traffic, I've never seen it like that anywhere else. It was insane. There was like so many scooters, so much traffic, and these little tiny laneways. I've never seen it like that before, but it was really cool, I have to say. Like, not really seen much like that before. What did you think?
It was insane. It was like chaos, like organized chaos.
Yeah, it was organized chaos.
I can't even describe it.
It's like no one was having an accident or anything. It was just
beeping.
Flowing. Beeping and flowing. So yeah, I think we're going to just rest up for a little while and then maybe go get some dinner soon. But yeah, we'll see how we go.
This is how you save money, guys, when you're traveling. Eating 2-minute noodles bought from the local supermarket.
It's not like Western brand noodles though, so we're still trying the local. I think it's Korean noodles. They taste really good. It's actually a lot better than two noodles. Really tasty and cheap. I think we only paid like $1 for them or something. Hey guys, welcome back to our first full day in Vietnam today. So we are in Hanoi at the moment. Really excited to get out and explore today. Weather is looking a little bit cloudy, but I think the forecast is sunny, so hopefully we should get some good weather. We're really excited to go and have a look around. I think our hotel is pretty central, pretty centrally located, so I think there's a few things to see around this area.
We've actually got no window in our room, so we've come up to the 8th floor to look out the windows in the hallways, so we can see over the buildings. So this is the view we have of Hanoi. Look how cute these little houses are, and their decks and their gardens and how they do their washing. This is incredible to see something so different to how we live at home.
How much do you want to cross the road right now?
I want to cross, but I'm scared because it's like...
Look at this, it's crazy! Walking down one of the shopping streets right now and there's no traffic down these streets. I think because it's the weekend. But this is the quietest I've seen it so far. Just headed towards the lake. Oh my god, it's a corgi! It's a corgi, little baby. Oh my god, it's so cute!
Got our map. We're walking along the Hanoi Lake.
Yeah.
And
What's happening here today, Dan?
I don't know. Everyone's out and about.
Yeah, it's really cool. There's lots of young families, lots of little kitties out today, and so many dogs. I can't handle it. They're so cute.
We're gonna head to the Women's Museum now, I think.
Yeah, I think it's just up here.
Another museum of some sort. There's quite a few around here, so yeah, we're trying to make today as busy and as
eventful as possible.
Exactly.
And we just booked our
Halong Bay tour. So
for tomorrow.
We're going on a Halong Bay tour.
So going on. Well, there was two options, wasn't there? There was a cheaper option.
There was a cheaper option
by about $30.
And there was a more expensive one, but the cool thing about the expensive one is it's like a new tour, and apparently in Vietnam they just opened up a new highway to a different part of Halong Bay, so there's less tourists on this one.
It's quicker to get there.
Yeah, it's quicker, so we'll have more time in Halong Bay. We'll have 8 hours as opposed to 4 hours, which is definitely
plus
an extra $30, I think.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, that's
so excited.
Always been a bucket list item for me to do. So really excited to go and see Halong Bay.
Awesome, so excited too. This is where scooter training begins in Vietnam. Yeah. This is sick.
So today we walked around the Hon Kiem Lake, just behind our hotel. It's only a couple of streets back, and then we went into the Women's Museum, which was really interesting to learn about Vietnamese culture, particularly women. And then we went from there over to the Hoa Lo prison. So that was built in like the 1800s by the French, and it's got a pretty brutal history. That was really interesting, quite sad as well. And then we walked past St. Joseph's Cathedral, and then we came back to our hotel.
So guys, we're back in the hotel room at the moment. I've just been doing some editing for my YouTube channel, and we've been just going through some photos and that. And I think now we're gonna go get some food, and I think Dan feels like a banh mi, so I feel like we'll try and have a look for somewhere that does those, which shouldn't be too hard, I wouldn't think. And depending on how my peanut allergy situation goes and what I can find and who is completely understanding of it, because I do need to be really careful. I do have translated messages like about my peanut allergy, which I carry with me, but sometimes I think, especially in Asia where it's not as common, it's a little bit harder to make sure that nothing is definitely going to be peanut free kind of thing. So it's just not common over here to have a peanut allergy, so I understand either way whether they whether they're really strict about it or not. So I think sometimes I just need to be super careful, and whether it means sticking to foods that I know I can eat and going to a supermarket or something, sometimes that's just a better way for me to go than trying to risk it. So we'll see, but we'll see if we can find Dan a banh mi, and yeah, hopefully we do.